How to make a playlist on YouTube. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily make a playlist on YouTube. So let's get started. First, just head over to YouTube application, and once you're inside here, make sure you are logged into your account. Now to create a playlist, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and here you should see all of your playlist if you have created already. But even if you didn't create any playlist, you can just come over to this playlist section and just tap on this new playlist button over here, where you'll have to enter your title of your playlist. So let's say I will give it my new video playlist, and you can set the visibility to be private or public based on your choice. So for now I'll simply keep it for my private, and if you want other YouTubers to collaborate in this playlist, you can simply enable this option as well. So for that to be happen, though, you need to change it to public. So once you do all of that, you can simply tap on this create, and just like that your new playlist will be created on YouTube. And to add a video, you can simply tap on this add videos and just click on any of the videos, random videos just like this, and click on this save to playlist just like this. And once you do all of that, all of your videos which you just added should be appearing over in this playlist. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.